Skoop is a Chrome extension that allows you to do a number of different things besides just creating video. It increases your vetted meetings and relationship building by 2 to 10 times. It identifies you as a human and not a bot. And it shows that you are taking time to get to know that other individual. And it creates an individual experience, video experience. It combines text with video, with subject line, and can even do things like voice memos. Now, it's designed specifically for LinkedIn first, Gmail, and Microsoft 360. Here is a quick 2-minute demo video of Skoop in action.
Very quick demo on how to send a video to multiple people. All right, so the Skoop app has an icon right here, and you just click it, it opens up, and you have the ability to record a video. Now, I'm recording a video right here. I have 2 cameras, so it might get the side view, but typically it'll go for the right camera. So I'll hit record, have a 3, 2, 1, and it's getting the other camera right here, but it's actually recording me. And so again, this is a demo of the Skoop app and sending a video to multiple people. Now, you could send a video to for a welcome message, a thank you, a reply, you name it. Skoop has the ability to do a video up to 2 minutes. The high point is about 45 seconds before they typically drop off. So you tend to want to keep these videos very, very, very short and personal. All right, so I'll go ahead and hit finished here. And what happens is uploads the video, it brings it in here, and you have these 3 little dots here in order to change the title. And what I will do is I'll just say Skoop demo video, right? I'll hit save that. And you'll notice that there's 3 people here. There are 3 people here because there are 3 tabs here. So what I'll do is I'll click all 3, and I'll just put down a quick video demo, and I'm able to send it to all 3 of these people. Now, this right here is what produces the video, and there's a lot of other features as well. There's a way to store messages, so you have quick replies. You can use ChatGPT. You can store the videos. Well, it does store all the videos, so you can do that. You can add a calendar link inside the content, and you have the ability to turn on and off the calendar link in the video. So I'll go ahead and hit send, and since I selected all 3, and if you take a look at that, you see the link right there in all 3 of them. And then once someone does a quick look at this here, they click it, and it has the title there, which is really nice. And it also has the video. And what will happen on the next version is we're going to round the corners off. And so you have 3 layers. You have 3 types. This is the horizontal, vertical. There's a horizontal and there's a square method. And it has a built-in booking link as well. So that's the demo. Hope you enjoy. Oh, and you can look at the rest too. I sent it to all 3 of them.
Skoop is like a Swiss Army knife for LinkedIn. It's kind of a 7-in-1 tool, and we're adding new features all the time. But here are some just main features. It's the only LinkedIn first application that supports video. There's lots of video applications, but they're not very streamlined, and they're cumbersome, and they take time to copy and paste, and you can't really keep track of things. It also works with Gmail. It has instant video with customization, voice memos. It can store quick replies. It also has a built-in booking calendar, so you can use yours or use ours. Well, actually, ours is yours. They'll sync up with your calendar. They can build up animated GIFs, and it has unlimited video storage. And there's a lot more stuff here, but those are some of the common features. With Skoop, you can create short, candid videos that get more replies. They know it's from a real person. It makes them feel special. You're not an AI or bot, and you're talking to them and not selling, only providing value. Now, you can increase conversions 2 to 10 times depending on the situation, the ICP, how you're actually reaching out to them, and what you're saying. It also saves a lot of time. It allows you to get more done in a shorter amount of time because it is streamlined.